I don't know, like should we stand like here?
Or like this.
Or... yeah. Good morning. Welcome to my cooking channel. Yo. It's freaking crazy.
Merci.
No fucking way. Santé. So basically, all we're gonna say is that yesterday we sat for like 2 hours thinking of the recipe of what we should do today, right? And we actually created something you guys will see in the next 15 minutes probably, what we came up with. So do you want to say anything?
No, man, let's go for it.
Yeah, let's fucking show it. Yeah, let's go. That's it.
So, let's take this thing. We'll pass it to you that way. Oh shit, I think we're not gonna use this one.
I mean, that one's gonna, we're gonna eat it raw later, right?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be really good.
It's just like a topping, you know?
My friend Jorge, he has only the freshest ingredients. Only the best. Best of the best. Yeah, exactly. Delicious. Fresh, yeah. I think they've been living here for a while.
Yeah,
like,
it's been...
When did you move here? Like 5 years ago?
5 years ago,
Yeah,
yeah,
so-
it's been a while, yeah, man.
Sick. So they've been living here probably for like, what, 3 years or?
Yeah.
Maybe a bit longer, yeah?
For 3 years, yeah.
Okay,
Same
sweet.
as the shaman.
All right, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like if the shadows were living here, yeah. Sweet. I like the fact that we're filming a video right now, like cooking, and then we have so much work to do with the OnlyFans, right?
Yeah,
Jesus.
that's the thing.
Too much work, man. I would love to say don't cut yourself, but like anytime you say it, somebody cuts themselves straight
It's
away.
better
Yeah,
to not say anything and just keep it to yourself.
of course. Did you wash your hands today?
I think I didn't, man.
Yes. After touching that pigeon on the street.
Yeah, fucking hell, yeah.
Remember the pet rat we had like last night?
Yeah, and everything.
I still didn't wash my hands.
Yeah, and the boobs as well.
We're not talking about ourselves.
Yeah,
We're talking
no,
about the thing from the street, yeah.
The pigeon, right?
The pigeon boobs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're my favorite.
Fucking.
Fucking delicious, yeah. Delicious, fresh, no sicknesses at all.
Nothing, man.
Yeah, man, 100%. Like, and it's free.
It's free, yeah.
Fun for free. You want this knife or I can use the small one.
Really?
Yeah, 100%.
Well, that's the thing. I'm not used to like this one. I'm using like
Daily.
90%
Right,
of the
yeah.
time. Yeah.
Yeah, I got the one I got in Japan. The one
Yeah,
you've seen in
so-
my videos, right?
yeah.
So good. The thing for me, for example, like I love santoku. They're
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the most comfortable knives for me and the most versatile, so I use it for everything.
Yeah, yeah.
It smells so good, right?
Yeah, it does.
I think I need some assistance with that shit. Can you please help me?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, because I never opened wine in my life.
Maybe.
I don't really drink alcohol, you know, like ever.
Yeah, I know.
So, what's that? Is that juice?
It's yeah, kind of a juice, but
Right.
it's like a bit toxic, you know?
Oh, toxic, right?
Yeah.
Like our relationship, right?
There you
Yeah,
go. That's the thing.
okay.
Yeah, I can say that.
Yeah. Can you? Don't say it. It's gonna go worldwide, hopefully.
There you go.
Sweet, thank you.
Smells like shit. Like
Holy shit.
Last
Yeah.
night as well. You
Yeah,
smell
it's
that.
exactly the same. I remember that smell, but like, does it taste the same? Show me. Oh, yeah, it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Delicious. This is like a really good quality wine, right?
Is
Is this
really
the one you?
expensive? Yeah.
Is that the one you drink daily?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is.
of course, 100%.
Go for it, man.
Yeah, should I put it here?
First, I think first you need to try it.
Oh, do you think?
Yeah. In order to know if it's like a good quality product, you know?
Yeah, for sure. Wait. Yeah, it's good.
Here,
I think it's really good. Yeah, 100%.
Is it like French?
Yeah, it's fucking delicious. It's
Lovely, man.
I mean, I'll compare it to the one we had yesterday, like the
Yeah.
bio natural wine, yeah, from Ile-de-France, right?
Yeah.
It's very good, bro. I think you should try it as well. Yeah, what do you think? I think it's French, right?
They're talking Polish, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Does it taste like sausage? Or it's still aftertaste after last night?
Yeah. You see, it's like completely different thing
Yeah.
from yesterday.
Yeah, it's different.
Like,
It's smaller, for sure. Now we reduce it. Yeah. Can you stop drinking, please?
man, look at your fucking glass.
Yeah, like I'm not like you.
Do you want a spoon, like, to try?
Oh, should we spoon? Yeah, we can do. Like we did last night. Cheers.
I like the profile of it.
Yeah, it's really good.
I think it's gonna go really well.
Yeah.
Because we can feel the shallots.
Of course, 100%.
Like, a lot. So that's why I like
Shallots and wine, and the strawberries
Yeah.
still need to cook for a little bit, like once it's reduced.
Yeah, it will be like...
It's gonna be
more
perfect.
present, yeah.
Yeah, because the good thing is like we added wine pretty much straight away to the strawberries, so
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
still like this texture.
And even,
Yeah.
man, if we want like to keep even more the texture, we can
Yeah.
add some strawberries, you know? Like,
Yeah, of course, like we can add it. Yeah, we can add
Like
later, maybe like chop it
5
up first. But
minutes,
yeah,
yeah.
100%, yeah. Or even after,
that way you will have like both of texture.
you know, what we can do. We can always turn off the heat.
Oh yeah, and
We can turn off the heat and just add the fresh ones so they steam for like a few
I think
minutes.
that's a
It's
really
gonna
good
bring
idea.
out the flavor as well. Yeah.
That way we should like really reduce this thing.
100%. Yeah, like
That
just
way it
yeah.
will be like proper concentrated.
100%, yeah.
And then you will have the fresh ones.
Yeah, but the smell is insane.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Oh,
yeah.
Wait.
I'll do it with the hand.
Yeah, just go for it.
Otherwise.
Yeah. I assume you still didn't wash your hands after the pigeon night.
The pigeon,
Yeah.
no. Not yet, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Don't worry. Pigeon tits, delicious for kids. Like every ingredient in Jorge's house is very fresh.
Very good. That's really good.
Just a little bit. Yeah. That's enough. Do you want to whisk it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Just like that.
Maybe we should say what's inside the
Oh yeah,
oil.
I just burned like some greens, like what I found in the market. So it was
Right.
like maybe some parsley, maybe some coriander,
I think there was some spring onion, right? Like
spring
I could
onions
taste it
as
before.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So actually, you can do whatever you have in mind. Like.
It's great. It's great. A bit more sugar.
Yeah.
A bit more pepper. And a bit more salt. Just so it's smooth. So we got this delicious, beautiful. Oh my god.
Lovely.
Yeah, that's like a perfect, ratio.
Yeah.
There's plenty of fat.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy made this for us basically today in the morning. So yeah, goes in. Here we go.
Do you want some more?
How big is enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just put some salt. Yeah. I think that's it. Perfect. Yeah. Don't be ashamed of the cheese, baby. Oh my god, it's so crispy. So
Yeah.
fucking cheers, bro.
Cheers, man. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yo. Yo. It's freaking crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
How?
It's like with all these things, you might think like it's really heavy, but it's not.
it doesn't feel heavy at all.
Yeah.
Like I was 100% sure it's gonna be so heavy, right?
Yeah.
Like we spoke before, like maybe we should add something else. Like the thing is, I think the fruits are killing the heaviness. So it's still like, it's a bit soury from the wine. You can still taste the wine, you can taste the strawberries. Like the consistency of that is
Yeah, I think
insane.
The mayonnaise as well. Like,
Yeah.
it helped,
You can taste everything, yeah,
with the
100%.
herbs and
Yeah,
things.
and the buttery croissant and the foie gras. You can fucking like, wow. You can taste everything, like basically everything we put in here, like you take a bite and you taste everything at the same time, so. To be honest, it tastes way better than I expected.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be really good, but
Not this good. yeah, it's really,
Seriously.
really good.
We really hope you enjoyed the video. We put a lot of effort into making that. It was a pleasure as well, but like the smell was just unbearable. So please, please like, we're begging you, like, subscribe to the channel and like let us know what you think about the recipe. Like if you change anything, like we want to improve. Obviously, we want to have more ideas. So if you have any ideas like what to do, please let us know. What else? I think that's it.
Yeah, pretty much. Man.
So
it was really
subscribe.
good, like to be with
Subscribe.
you here. Like,
Subscribe. I don't give a fuck about that. Like
Yeah.
I'm gonna subscribe
Really.
to your channel. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah,
for
but
me,
like,
I'll-
please subscribe to my OnlyFans as well. Like, yeah.
I will look for that.
It's called the Pigeon Man 69. Yeah.
The French pigeon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, we've been friends for like the past how long? Like over 10 years now.
Yeah,
We haven't seen each other in 5 years, and this is the first time we're actually spending some time together, like since basically pre-COVID. Right? We've been traveling the world. We've been in different places, but we found ourselves here. We're glad we're able to do what we said a couple of years ago, that we want to make some videos. We want to pursue the cooking thing, like what we can mention as well, like at the end, like we're not chefs, none of us. We never had any education, never had anything, so this is basically our hobby. So we're doing it with like pure love, pure passion for food, and we try to explore, we try to learn basically. So please help us like pursue this career and everything, so we can achieve our dreams and everything. Santé.